Okay. Writing is your next module, and here you have two tasks. For task 1, there could be report writing for academic and letter writing for general. In these both report writing and letter writing, you'll have to write about 150 words minimum, and the time you get is about 20 minutes. In letter writing for general, here you'll be presented a situation and asked to write on it for about 150 words. Here at COSMO, what we use is an integrated approach. The different things we learn in speaking, we try to employ it in writing as well. Task 1. The report writing. There will be different types of questions, like for example bar chart, or it could be a line graph or a pie chart or table, map or process, flow chart, and so on. And the bar chart is all about comparisons, the values, or perhaps the data comparison. The pie chart is all about distribution or sharing. The line graph is all about showing the trends. And the table could be anything. It could be either showing comparison, or it could be about distribution, or it could be about the trends. It could mean anything. And the map is all about the changes. You can be given two maps in 2 different years, and you'll be asked to write about the changes in these two maps. And the last one is about a flow chart, or the process is something that you get in, like in chemistry. You'll be given a figure, and you'll be asked to describe that figure. And here, what you should remember, and what COSMO teaches you, is to find a story. They might be giving you a data, but please don't give them data back. That doesn't fetch you marks. You need to give them a story. Make a story. And for making a story, what you should be doing, we have got a different way in which we make a story, but generally it is like this. You have, let's say, you have to divide the data into groups and do inter-comparison and intra-comparison. But creating a story is most important, and that's what we'll be teaching you at COSMO. And task 2, the next one, is about essay writing, where you'll be given a topic and asked to write on it for about 250 words minimum. And the timing you get is about 40 minutes. And here there are 2 different types of questions are asked. One would be the argument type, while another would be the account type. Don't just look at the questions. The questions would be like agree, disagree, positive, negative, advantage, disadvantage. Don't worry about it. It's they just asking you in the ways they would like to, but don't look at the words, look at the sense behind it. Basically, if you can get a yes or no answer from any question, then you have got this argument type. And like, for example, in a question like dangerous sport should be banned, do you agree or disagree? I can ask you to rephrase it. Like, for example, you could make it do you agree that dangerous sport should be banned? The first thing that should pop up in your mind is a yes or a no. Once you get that, do you agree that dangerous sports should be banned? Yes or no. Once you get that, then you know it is an argument type. But this question should be asked in several ways. Some people say that dangerous sports should be banned. Do you think the positives outweigh the negatives? I mean, that's also, you get a yes or no answer. Or perhaps some people say that dangerous sports should be banned. Do you think the advantages or positives outweigh the negatives or disadvantages? It's all the same. Don't look at the words. Look at the sense behind it. They are the argument type questions. Then you have the number 2 would be account type questions, where you have either cause, effect and solutions, or all of them together. Here at COSMO, we teach you the pattern-based writing techniques in writing. Here, that means, like, for example, we define the questions into patterns. We understand, we teach you how questions would fall in different patterns and devise a way in which you could approach the answers. And here we make it very simple for you. Once we know which pattern the question falls in, we'll give you a certain way in which to approach them. So we'll make it very, very easy. You can write even 300, 400 word essays in just less than 20 minutes. That's what we train you with in pattern-based writing techniques. And we are the only academy in Kerala or India to teach you the pattern-based writing techniques, which should take the difficulty out of your writing and make it a very, very simple process. And that's about writing.